Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see here, it's from Forward Observations Group, otherwise known as FOG, and you can see Hard AF. So I ended up getting two items. They had a restock, so I've been trying to get some of their stuff. If you don't know Forward Observations Group, I don't know too much other than the fact that they produce some really good videos with current and prior soft operators just doing room clearing or different training scenarios, which is really interesting and it's good to see. And they also do it with some really great music. So to whoever their media producers are, shout out to them. But to the products and the merchandise, here we have a FOG hat. And it is adjustable strap in the back, and you can see the logo is back over here. And then here we have one of their hoodies with the logo up front, and don't know what's in the back, but we'll see. So I got a size medium, and you can see this is their general logo right there. And no other designs on the back. So far, fresh out of the bag, this is super soft, and this already has a really nice curve to it, so you don't really need to do much if you're into that. Personally, I prefer a slight curve when I do wear hats, which is rare when I do, but yeah. Other than that, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.